Is your AC struggling? A bad capacitor might be the culprit. This small component gives your AC the boost it needs to start. First, visually inspect it. With the power off, look for any bulging, leaking fluid, or rust on the capacitor. These are clear signs of failure. Also, listen for a humming sound from your unit if the fan isn't spinning. That's another classic symptom. For a definitive test, use a multimeter. Safety is critical. Shut off the power at the breaker and discharge the capacitor. Now, set your multimeter to the capacitance setting. A healthy capacitor will read within plus or minus 6% of the rating printed on its side. If it's far off or reads 0, you found the problem.